Hi everyone, Zachary Lui here from Wuji Xuan Life Wellness and Toronto Qigong. Today's topic is Yoga versus Qigong. What are the differences? What are the commonalities? Well, as big as this topic is from both ends, I'm going to say we're going to cover the general principles first. Then we're going to get into more specifics. So, let's start off with yoga. Yoga comes from India, and with that is definitely influence from Indian philosophy and culture. What is the nutshell approach to that? Well, in Hindu and Vedic philosophy, it views the world where you are learning to transcend this life into a better life, to be one with Brahma or the universe. And from there, you will learn certain lessons through your karma that's been stored from astrology, your DNA, your society, all these different things. Yoga kicks into this perspective when it says, well, we're going to give you a way to transcend all this in a super fast way. Yoga is a very general term. It means to be yoked or have a yoke on you, which is, in practice, how do you take off the yoke and how do you become free? Ultimately, it wants you to be free with these practices. Yoga isn't just the physical postures. There are many different types of yoga. There is mantra yoga. There is scriptural yoga. There is the physical yoga. There's many different types of yogas and many different types of combinations. So with that, that is Vedic, Hindu philosophy, and yoga in a nutshell. And keep a note on that because this is important later on when we start doing comparisons. Next, let's go into Qigong. Where does Qigong come from? Well, if you did any research or you're watching this video, you probably have an interest in Qigong and generally would know it's from China. And with that, Qigong focuses on many different things, as yoga focuses on many different things. But with Qigong particularly, it's about how do you build up the energy, how do you store the energy, and how do you be in harmony with the universe in many different ways. We can take different philosophical slices on this. Taoism aims to be in harmony with nature and the world to achieve some sort of immortality. It could be physical, could be emotional, could be spiritual. There is Confucian views on it where it's about how to be in harmony with society and your family. And then there is Buddhist views on it, which is how do you take right now and view you not having impasse to any enlightenment. Remember, Buddhism came from India initially, and Buddhism in many ways was the heretic child of Hinduism, or at least the child that was a little bit rebellious. So it tried to work on a philosophical principle antithesis to everything that Hindu and Vedic culture preceded it previously.